Welcome to our video on the 7 most incredible vitamins for nerve damage repair. In this video, we'll show you how vitamins can help you repair nerve damage. Living with nerve damage is an unpleasant and often painful experience that impacts your quality of life. It can result in numbness, tingling, muscle weakness, or even paralysis. You may also experience chronic pain as a result of damaged nerves that are unable to send signals properly throughout your body. If the nerve damage is severe enough, your ability to perform everyday tasks like walking or writing may be impaired. Nerve damage occurs when communication between the brain and other parts of the body is disrupted due to an injury or illness such as diabetes or multiple sclerosis or MS. When myelin, the protective coating around nerves, is damaged, it causes nerves to malfunction and misfire signals, resulting in pain and other symptoms. But did you know that some vitamins have been found to be beneficial in the repair of nerve damage? We'll get into each of them right now. Before we continue, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel to help YouTube show this valuable information to more people just like you. All right, let's start our list with vitamin B12. Number 7, vitamin B12 cobalamin. Vitamin B12 is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to nerve health. This vitamin is vital for the metabolism and maintenance of nerve cells, and its primary role is to help produce myelin, the protective layer that surrounds nerves, ensuring they send signals efficiently throughout the body. Without sufficient B12, nerves can misfire, causing symptoms like memory loss, motor control issues, and chronic pain. In conditions like peripheral neuropathy, often triggered by diabetes or vascular diseases, B12 can help repair damaged nerves and ease those symptoms. This vitamin also has the ability to protect against oxidative stress, which occurs when free radicals cause damage to nerve cells. Foods rich in B12, such as beef, tuna, clams, milk, eggs, and sardines, can help restore your body's supply and keep your nervous system functioning smoothly. Number 6, vitamin E. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that's especially beneficial for nerve repair and protection. This vitamin reduces oxidative stress in the body, a primary contributor to nerve damage. It shields neurons from toxic substances, bolsters the immune system, and helps reduce inflammation, especially in people with neurodegenerative conditions like ALS or multiple sclerosis. Research suggests that vitamin E can improve nerve function in individuals recovering from strokes or dealing with peripheral neuropathy by helping to restore the protective layers around nerve cells. Not only that, but it also fights swelling and boosts immunity, accelerating the healing process. If you're looking to increase your vitamin E intake, consider adding foods like sunflower seeds, almonds, spinach, avocado, broccoli, and red peppers to your diet. Number 5, alpha-lipoic acid, ALA. Alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA, is a naturally occurring compound found in foods like spinach, broccoli, and tomatoes. It stands out for its strong antioxidant properties, which help neutralize free radicals and protect nerve cells from oxidative damage. ALA has proven especially effective in reducing inflammation and improving nerve function in people suffering from diabetes-related neuropathy. This compound supports nerve repair by promoting healthy circulation, normalizing hormone levels, and improving cellular energy production. Moreover, ALA helps boost the body's production of glutathione, a critical detoxifying agent that contributes to better overall nerve health. Regular ALA supplementation can improve sensation and reduce pain, particularly in people with neuropathy caused by long-term high blood sugar levels. Foods such as walnuts, Brussels sprouts, and peas are also excellent sources of ALA, making them valuable additions to a nerve-friendly diet. Number 4, thiamine, vitamin B1. Thiamin, also known as vitamin B1, plays an essential role in protecting nerves from high blood sugar damage, which is a common issue in people with diabetes. Thiamin has been shown to reduce nerve pain and inflammation, as well as improve nerve conduction velocity, NCV, which measures how fast electrical impulses travel along nerves. This vitamin helps inhibit harmful enzymes that cause oxidative stress in the nervous system and may reduce the formation of advanced glycation end products, AGEs, which are linked to nerve damage. By protecting nerves from further damage, thiamine supports faster recovery and better nerve health. Foods rich in thiamine include pork, beef, legumes like chickpeas and lentils, nuts such as pistachios and sunflower seeds, and dark leafy greens like spinach and kale. Number 3, omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are well known for their anti-inflammatory properties, but their ability to repair and protect nerve cells is what makes them especially important for nerve damage recovery. These fatty acids help reduce inflammation in the nervous system, which can improve nerve function and even speed up the repair of myelin, the protective covering around nerve cells. Research has shown that omega-3s are particularly effective in improving nerve conduction velocity and reducing inflammation in conditions like chronic inflammatory demyelinating polyneuropathy, a condition that affects the nerve's ability to transmit signals properly. Omega-3s can also promote healthy brain development and protect against neurological decline as we age. You can find omega-3s in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as plant-based sources such as flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Including these foods in your diet can go a long way toward keeping your nervous system in top shape. Number 2, magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate is a mineral that plays several critical roles in maintaining healthy nerve function. It's known to protect nerves from damage caused by oxidative stress, and it helps to calm and relax the nervous system, beneficial for those suffering from anxiety, muscle spasms, or sleep issues. Magnesium sulfate is particularly effective in reducing muscle spasms and managing the symptoms of seizure disorders like epilepsy. It also improves blood flow throughout the nervous system, allowing electrical signals to travel more efficiently between nerve cells. This increased circulation helps reduce inflammation, especially in areas where nerves have been damaged by trauma or overuse. Though magnesium sulfate may not directly repair nerve damage, it certainly helps protect nerves and improve overall neurological health. Foods like wheat bran, oatmeal, almonds, cashews, and legumes such as lentils and black beans are rich sources of magnesium sulfate. Number 1, curcumin. Curcumin, the active component in turmeric, is one of the most powerful natural compounds for nerve protection and repair. It has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, making it effective at reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, two major contributors to nerve damage. Research suggests that curcumin can help with conditions like peripheral neuropathy, diabetic neuropathy, and even Alzheimer's disease by protecting nerve cells from damage and promoting their regeneration. Studies have also shown that curcumin can improve wound healing, reduce pain, and boost cognitive function by enhancing neural communication. For people dealing with nerve injuries or chronic conditions that affect the nervous system, adding curcumin to their diet could have significant benefits. Curcumin is most commonly found in turmeric, but it can also be found in smaller amounts in foods like ginger, cumin, mustard seeds, and black pepper. Incorporating these spices into your meals not only adds flavor, but can also help protect and repair your nerves. And there you have it, 7 incredible vitamins and compounds that can help repair nerve damage and improve nerve function. Are there any other vitamins or supplements you found helpful for nerve health? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching and take care of your nerves.